Good day to our future principals. This is Bruno TB, and I'm here to give you some tips regarding the NCAS 2024. Our topic is DepEd Matatag. Again, for every question, I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Without further ado, let us start now. For question number 1, which initiative in the Matatag agenda does not belong under giving support for teachers? Number 1, advocate for additional benefits for our teachers. Number 2, address issues affecting the net take-home pay of teachers. Number 3, expand the coverage for the grant of special hardship allowance. Number 4, work with DOH for pre-annual physical examinations for teachers. Number 5, share test items with schools and teachers to strengthen the use of assessment. Number 6, implement the policy on the distribution of teacher workload and payment of teaching overload. Number 7, coordinate with the GSIS for an improved and superior benefits package for all DepEd personnel. Number 8, provide a free legal assistance facility for teachers on matters concerning law, contracts, and obligation. The choices are: letter A, 3 only. Letter B, 4 only. Letter C, 5 only. Letter D, 7 only. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C, 5 only. Before we proceed to our next question, please don't forget to subscribe Bruno TV. Again, good luck sa exam bukas. Thank you. For question number 2, which initiatives in the Matatag agenda belong under taking good care of learners? Number 1, provide professional development programs. Number 2, provide education to children and youth in situations of disadvantage. Number 3, seek out mental wellness experts to form interventions at the school level. Number 4, strengthen the mechanism in safeguarding our learners against all forms of discrimination and dangers. Number 5, strengthen and institutionalize the integration program for adolescent mothers, children at risk, and children in conflict with the law. The choices are: letter A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Letter B, 2, 3, 4, and 5 only. Letter C, 3, 4, and 5 only. Letter D, 4 and 5 only. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B, 2, 3, 4, and 5 only. For question number 3, which is not a matatag agenda goal? Letter A, make the curriculum relevant to produce job-ready, active, and responsible citizens. Letter B, take steps to accelerate the delivery of basic education services and the provisions of facilities. Letter C, take good care of learners by promoting learner well-being, inclusive education, and positive learning environment. Letter D, give support for administrators, staff, and teachers to ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D. Give support for administrators, staff, and teachers to ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. For question number 4, which initiatives in the Matatag agenda belong under making the curriculum relevant? Number 1, strengthen our literacy and numeracy programs. Number 2, improve English proficiency while recognizing linguistic diversity. Number 3, reduce the number of learning areas to focus on foundational skills. Number 4, revitalize our reading, science and technology, and math problems. Number 5, review the implementation of the mother tongue-based multilingual educational policy. Number 6, revise the K-12 curriculum to make them more responsive to our aspiration as a nation. The choices are letter A, 4, 5, and 6 only. Letter B, 1, 4, 5, and 6 only. Letter C, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 only. Letter D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 only. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D.